channel. Today I'm gonna be showing well, when I was watching how I go from this to this, but it's like I'm gonna be doing the wet look, and link a video in the description of a review I did on this here and what I think of it. But yeah, so having 16-inch closure and 18-20-22 bundles, and this is how long it is on. So yeah, so the first thing this is like freshly washed here. There's like no product in it at all, and the front is a bit fluffed up because I had like 2 braids this way, but whatever. So what you're gonna need is water, like a spray bottle, mousse. I'm using the Baker Roll Maximum Shine, and like oil, I'm using the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. You can use gel if you want, but the gel kind of makes the hair a bit hard, so yeah. The mousse defines the curls, the water like detangles everything, and the oil prevents the hair from getting too crunchy or hard. So yeah, so let's get started. So I'm gonna try and do like 1/2, and then so what you want to do is take the spray bottle and just wet the hair. You don't want it to be soaking wet, but you want like each strand to have water on it. And I'm gonna use my fingers to detangle. I don't have like a Denman brush, so yeah. And you get less breakage when you use your fingers. So less shedding. As you can see, the hair is not like dripping wet, but it's damp. So then I'm gonna take the mousse, and this is one of the best mousse I think. It like holds the hair together without like making it so crunchy. I'm gonna use like this amount. I'm gonna do like sections. I'm gonna start like in the middle of the hair and go down. So since I've done this, I'm gonna go like higher up. So it's like this. Then after this, before like the hair dries and everything, I'm gonna add the oil. And how much oil you add depends on you, but I don't like the hair to be too oily. All of this is like a light oil, but yeah, I'm gonna show you like how much I'll put on this side, how much I'll add on this side. So like this amount. I don't know if you can even see, like that. Rub that through the entire. Since the top of my the hair was already flat, I'm not gonna like add too much there, but you can add gel, like a little bit of gel or some mousse, preferably mousse at the top, to like tame the flyaways and like get the hair flat. So yeah, as you can see, I can run my fingers through it. There's no tangles, it looks wet, but it's not like wet, it's damp. Not even like damp, it's like, I mean, if you touch it you can feel that it's wet, like there's water in it, but it's not like dripping or anything. And yeah, so I'm gonna come closer. So yeah, now I'm gonna show you what it looks like on this side. So it went from like this to this, and yeah, I'm gonna just like do the same thing on this second, speed it up, or probably I'll cut it out, I don't know. But yeah, this is what it looks like with no product, and this is the wet look right here. I don't want like the curls to be clumped, I would just want it to be defined and look like it's wet. So yeah, and I'll do this side and I'll be right back. So okay, so I've done both sides of the hair, and it's been about like, I'll say 15 minutes, so it's like more or less dry. So yeah, so I'll show you what it looks like so far. So yeah, so it's like it looks wet. I don't know what you're seeing, but I'm seeing that it looks wet and glossy, but it's actually dry, like dry. But yeah, so this is what I do to achieve like the wet look. And yeah, if you enjoy, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and you can check out my other videos on my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and once more, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.